channel. In today's video I want to give you an update on everything I'm growing. As you can see, I've cleaned the garden yesterday. Hard work because of all of the leaves from this maple tree. Firstly, let me show you my strawberries on the pallets. So these are the strawberries, as you can see, and these are strawberries which I grew from runners, and these will come back because they are small right now, and they will come back soon. And this is the kiwi plant I planted and wanted to train, as you have seen in a video. I'll just show you. And this is the mulch, free mulch, and these are the citrus which I grew from seeds, grocery bought, and they have done really great in this climate. They've been outside for weeks now with the harsh -3 degrees as well. And as you can see, let me just show you from this angle. This is also strawberry, and these are the radish which I grew from seeds, as you have seen, and I winter sow them. As you can see, they have grown really much. These as well. These are also radish. This is the mint, and these are the peas which I grew from seeds, and now they have all germinated in most of them, and I'm going to thin them out or place them on the places where they are a little bit nobody have germinated, like this one. Most of it hasn't germinated here, most of it germinated there, so I'm going to take this in there. Now adjust the seedlings, as well as with this one, looking really great. I'm going to give them more time and then thin them out. This is the strawberry as well. Let me just show you this plant. I've think about to actually remove this plant and have more, or fill it whole with soil and plant hydrangeas, roses, things like that. Or I may just put more artificial turf there so I can have something else there, as you can see. And I want to show you this plant. And this is a plant when I had my strawberries here at the winter time on the artificial turf. One of them produced runners, and I didn't see the runners, so the runners just got stuck in the artificial turf, and actually they've grown really much here. I'm going to not take it out because I think it's beautiful. Even if you're going to place a table here, I don't want to take it out. It's really beautiful. So this is the tomato bed, not looking great. I've think about to plant tomato in these containers, like 6 here, 6 here, and they're not going to be a bottom in the pot. They're going to touch the ground. This is the staking system I'm going to have. I'm not finished the staking system. I've got a staking system there. There are 6 stakes in, like 2. I'm going to 3 rows, you know, 1 staking system, 1 staking system, 1, 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to have a wire or just a normal twine, and just swing that right or left from the tomato stems. I think that's really efficient. And then I have these roses. Everything has grown, and I wanted to show you this is just as update, if you know, not a huge garden tour. And these are the tulips growing really much, and this is the calamondin citrus, which is also doing really well. So actually I just wanted to show you these peas and the radish and some of the strawberries, and I'm going to show you tomato seedlings as well. So here I am in the greenhouse. As you can see, I have got tomato seedlings, Alisa Craig in these bottles, and the one in grocery bought tomatoes in these yogurt pots. As you can see, they have grown really much since I transplanted them, and there's actually really not very much going on here, but it's messed up, so I don't want to show you everything down there and there. And as you can see, I didn't make a video about transplanting any peppers, but these are the peppers, grocery bought peppers, the big ones. And I have the yellow Hungarian wax and the Anaheim chili in my bedroom, as well with the nasturtiums. I'm going to make a video about growing nasturtiums, so just keep following. These are the cucumbers. These are in the same pot. They have grown really much, and I intended to actually sow more. As you can see, everyone, this is the late comer. This is the video I sown. So I sowed actually some more seedlings because I wanted to test to place 4 outside and 8 inside my greenhouse. So I wanted to just see the difference. As you can see, this is a staking system for the cucumbers in each pot. That will be efficient as well. So I actually really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.